Hey guys, Foggy here. Just want to go over a couple things that I'm going to be doing to my machine, which is the 2018 Polaris RZR 900s. What we're going over today is this little panel here, which I picked up off of Amazon, and obviously you can see it has 6 different switches at the bottom. Now, just note this particular switch here, which says winch in and out. I had to purchase that separately, so I actually popped out one of the switches and inserted the winch in and out switch. The other great thing about this panel is it has your 12 volt car charger, or as what we used to know as a cigarette lighter. It has that in there, and this is probably one of the best features of it is it has 2 USB charging ports. Little voltage meter, tell you what your volts are sitting at. You'll see here on the 2 sides that we have a aluminum plate in behind it. This is a plate that my dad actually designed, and it basically fits right in the center portion or center little storage area on my side-by-side. Or even just turn on the key, you have all your lights that light up. You got your volt meter reading there, and then you have your USB, like I said before, for your phone chargers, camera chargers, and things like that. Your 12 volt for the same. My winch in and out, fully connected and up and running, and then any accessories that I want. So all in all, quite happy with it. I think it looks pretty good, and yeah, just a matter of connecting some accessories. So if you like this video, stay tuned for my next one where I go over what's under the hood of the 2018 Polaris RZR 900s.